ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Hare Krishna. Today we will recite the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Text 1. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmashetre kurukshetre samavetaयुत्सवा mamakaha pandavascheva kimakurvata Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra desiring to fight, what did they do? Sanjay uvacha drishtva tu panduvanikam vyudam duryodhanastata acharyam upasangamaya raja vachanam ravit. Sanjay said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Dhritarashtra went to his teacher and spoke the following words. Text 3. Pashyetam Pandu putranam acharyam mahati chumum gudam dupada putrena tavasishyena dhimata. O my teacher, behold the great army of son of Pandu, so expertly arranged by your intelligent disciple, the son of Drupada. Atra Shura Maheshwacha Bhima Arjun Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharata. Here in this army are many heroic bowmen, equal in fighting to Bhima and Arjun, great fighter like Yuyudhana, Virata and Drupada. Text number 5. दृष्टकेतुश्च चेकितान् काशीराज्यस्य वीर्यवान् पुरुजित कुन्तिभोजश्च शैवस्य नरपुङ्गवा. There are also great heroic powerful fighters like Dhritarashtra, Chekitan, Kashiraj, Purujit, Kuntibhoj and Shebya. Yudhamanyuscha Vikranta Uttamojascha Viryavan Shobhadre Draupadesya Sarva Eva Maharata. There are mighty Yudhamanyu, the very powerful Uttamoj, the son of Shubhadra and son of Draupadi. All these warriors are great chariot fighters. Asmakam tu vistaye tanni bodha dvijottama Nayaka mama senyasya sadhyartha tasya davimite. But for your information, O best of Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my military force. Bhavana Bhishmasya Karnasya Krupasya Simita Sanjaya Ashwathama Vikarnasya Somidanti Shatevacha. There are personalities like you, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishrava, who are always victorious in battle. Text 12. Tasya Sanjayana Harsha Kuru Buddha Pitamaha Sihanadam Dinaghoche Shankadadva Pratapavan. Then Bhishma, the great valiant grandsire of Kuru dynasty, the grandfather of the fighters, blew his counsel very loudly, making a sound like the roar of a lion, giving Duryodhana joy. Tata Shankascha Devyascha Pranavana Gomukha Saha Shevya Bhanyanta Sa Shabda Tumulo Bhavat. After that, the conch shell, drums, biguls, trumpets, and horns were all suddenly sounded, and the combined sound were tumultuous. Tata Shveta Hayaryukte Mahati Swandande Sito Madhava Pandava Sheva Divya Shanko Pradhu Tata. On the other side, both Lord Krishna and Arjuna, stationed on a great chariot drawn by white horses, sounded their transcendental counsel. Pachajanya Rishikesho Devadatta Dhananjaya Pondradhamno Mahashanka Bhima Karma Vrukhodara. Lord Krishna blew his conch shell called Panchjanya. Arjun blew his conch shell Devadatya. And Bhima, the voracious eater and performance of Herculean task, blew his terrific conch shell called Pondra. अनंत विजयम राजा कुंती पुत्रो युधिष्ठिर नकुल सहदेवस्य सुघोष मणिपुष्पको काश्यश्च परमेश्वर शिखंडी च महारथा दृष्टदुम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकीशा पराजित द्रुपद द्रौपदेश्या सर्वस्य पृथ्वीपते सौभद्रस्य महाभाव शंखान धम्नु पृथक पृथक. King Yudhishthira, the son of Kunti, blew his conch shell, the Ananta Vijaya, and Nakula Sahadev blew their Sughosha and Mani Pushpaka. The great archer, the king of Kashi, the great fighter Shikhandi, Drishtadumna, Virata, the unconquerable Satyaki, Drupada, the son of Draupadi, and other, O king, such a mighty armed son of Shubhadra, all blew their respective conch shell. स घोषोदार्थ राष्ट्रान हृदयानि व्याधरत नभस्य पृथ्वी चैव तुमलो ध्यनु नाद्यन. The blowing of this different conch shell became uproarious vibration, vibrating both in sky and on the earth. It shattered the heart of the son of Dhritarashtra. Text number 20. अथ व्यवस्थिना थान दृष्ट धातराष्ट्रा कपिध्वज प्रवृत्ते शास्त्र संपाते धनुरुद्धम पांडव ऋषिकेश तथा वाक्य मिदम महीपते. At that time Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seated in the chariot bearing the flag mark with Hanuman, took up his bow and prepared to shoot his arrow. O king, after looking at the son of Dhritarashtra drawn in military array, Arjuna then spoke to Lord Krishna these words. Arjuna uvacha Sainyarubhoyo madhe ratham stapam mechuta yavadetani riksheha yodha kamani vavastitan karmaya saha yodhya vyavasmina ranasamuddame. Arjuna said, O infallible one, please draw my chariot between the two armies so that I may see those present here who desire to fight and with whom I must contend in this great trial of arms. Yotsyamananavesh aham यह एते असमागता धार्तराष्ट्रास्य दुर्बोधे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षव. Let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. Sanjay uvacha eva mukta rishikesho gudakeshen bharata sainyayurobha madhye stapitya rathotama. Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, having thus being addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up the fine chariot in the midst of armies of both parties. Text 25. Bhishma Drona Pramukhat Sarvasha cha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyetan Samavetan Kuruniti. In the presence of Bhishma, Drona and all other craftsmen of the world, the Lord said, just behold, Partha, all the Kurus assembled here. Tatra pashyat stithan Partha pituna pitamaham Acharyanat namatulan Bhatruna putrana pitrana sakistasa Svashurana suhasheva Sainyaryu yo bhayo rapi. There Arjuna could see within the midst of the armies of both parties his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his father-in-law and well-wishers. तान्न समीक्षय कौन्तेय सर्वान् बन्धून् विस्तान् कृपया परयाविष्टो विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्. When the son of Kunti, Arjuna, saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with compassion and spoke thus. Arjuna uvacha drustem swajanam Krishna yuyutsam samupastitam siddhanti mama gatrani mukascha parishusyati. Arjuna said, "My dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up. Vepayushya sharire me roma harsha tajayate gandiva sahasre astan tvaka cheva paridyatate." My whole body is trembling, my hair is standing on end, my bow Gandiva is leaping from my hand, and my skin is burning. Text 30. Nacha shakno bhavasyatu pragatita cha me mana nimittani cha pashyami vipritani keshava. I am now unable to stand here any longer. I am forgetting myself and my mind is reeling. I see only causes of misfortune. O Krishna, killer of the Keshi demon. Nacha shrayo anukshami hatva svajan mahave nakangshe vijayam Krishna nacha rajyam sukhani cha. I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsman in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom or happiness. Text 32 to 35. Kim no rajyan govinda kim bhoge jivite va ethamarte kankshita no rajya bhoga sukhani cha ta ime avistha yuddhe pranasya katva dhanani cha acharyam pitara putra tatatheva vapitamaha matrusha swasura potra shyala sambandhitan sata etana hantumashami agyato api madhusudana अपि त्रैलोक्य राजास्य हेतो कीतु महीकृते नियतधार्त राष्ट्राया का प्रीतिस्या जनार्दना. O Govinda, of what avail to us are a kingdom, happiness, or even life itself, when all those for whom we may desire them are now arrayed on this battlefield? O Madhusudana, when teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncle, father-in-law, grandson, brother-in-law, and other relatives are ready to give up their lives and properties and are standing before me, why should I wish to kill them, even though they might otherwise kill me? O maintainer of all living entities, I am not prepared to fight with them, even in exchange for 3 worlds, let alone this earth. What pleasure will we desire from killing the son of Dhritarashtra? Text number 36. Papameva shaydasman hatvetana tatayina तस्यान्नाहं वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्र सभान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथ हत्वा सुखी न स्याम माधव. Sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressor. Therefore, it is not proper for us to kill the son of Dhritarashtra and nor friends. What should we gain, O Krishna, husband of goddess of fortune? And how could we be happy by killing our own kinsman? यद्यपेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसा कुलक्षय कृत दोष मित्रद्रोहे च पातक कथम न ज्ञेनम मस्सम्माभि पापादस्मा निवर्तितुं कुलक्षय कृतं दोष प्रपश्यति भजनार्दना. O Janardana, although these men, their hearts overtaken by greed, see no faults in killing one's family or quarreling with friends, why should we? Why should we who can see the crime in destroying a family engage in this act of sin? Kulakshaye pranashyanti kula dharma sanatana dharmanaste kulam kutas अधर्मो अभिभृत्युत. With the destruction of dynasty, the eternal family tradition is vanquished, and thus the rest of the family become involved in irreligion. Text 40. Adharma bhi bhavat Krishna pradushyanti कुलस्त्रिया स्त्रियोसु दृष्टाशु वर्णेश जायते वर्णशंकर. When irreligion is prominent in family of Krishna, the women of the family become polluted, and from the degradation of womanhood, or descendant of Vrishni, comes unwanted progeny. Shankaro narakaeva kulagnam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hesham Lupta Pindo Daka Kriya. As an increase of unwanted population certainly cause hellish life, both for the family and for those who destroy the family tradition. The ancestor of such corrupt families fall down because the performance for offering them food and water are entirely stopped. Text number 42. दोषे रेते कुलाग्नानं वर्णशंकरकारके उत्साहन्ते अति जाति धर्मा कुलधर्मा शाश्वता. By the evil deeds of those who destroy the family tradition and thus give rise to unwanted children, all kind of community project and family welfare activities are devastated. Text 43. उत्सन्न कुल धर्माणा मनुष्याणाम जनार्दना नरके नियतम वासो श्रवतीत्य नुशुश्रुषुम. O Krishna, maintainer of people, I have heard by disciplic succession that those who destroy family tradition dwell always in hell. Text 44. Aho bhat mahat papam kartu व्यवस्थिता वयम यद राज्य सुख लाभेन हंतुम स्वजनम उद्यता. Alas, how strange is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts, driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness. We are intent on killing our own kinsman. Text 45. Yadi mama प्रतीकारम शस्त्र शस्त्र पाणय धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युम स्तनन्ये क्षेमतरम भवेत्. Better for me if the son of Dhritarashtra, weapon in his hand, were to kill me unarmed and unresisting on battlefield. Sanjaya uvacha evamuktva cha Arjuna sanke ratopta उपवीशत विसृज्य शरणं चापम शोक सविघ्नमानस. Sanjay said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrow and sat down on chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief. Thus end Bhaktivedanta purport for the first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the matter of observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So friend, this is the Purushottam month, Adhik Mas, and whatever devotional activities we do in Purushottam month, it gives you 1,000 times benefit. So don't waste your lifetime. Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, and read Bhagavad Gita every day in this Adhik Mas. So it will, develop your spiritual progress, and definitely the Lord will bestow the great knowledge upon you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.